IT Career Paths, Identifying Your Place in the Digital Industry, hosted by Builders of Information Technology Society, also known as BITS.
Almighty God, we come before you with gratitude as we begin our event, helping them discover the paths that match their talents and dreams.
Good morning everyone. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much for joining. Gumagawa kami ng paraan para nang sa gayon, paglabas ninyo, nandun na kayo sa professional field ng IT. We have international speaker and dito po sa Pilipinas. So pinilit namin na ma-compress ito into half day. So please, pakinggan nyo lahat ng sasabihin nila, pabaon namin yan sa inyo. So welcome to today's activity or today's event. Meron na ba kayong nakikitang track na tatahakin ninyo after this year or after this academic year as you graduate by 2026? So I hope after this, you will learn a lot from our dear speakers. So next semester, you'll be having your OJT. And I know most of you are thrilled, pero karamihan din ay kabado. So good luck everyone, and welcome and enjoy today's activity.
Na there are different careers pa beyond programming and databases and administration. And that career is within cybersecurity. How do we protect ourselves and our organizations from those attacks? We are the ones who are protecting the infrastructure. Now, the purpose of BAPT is to actually identify yung mga vulnerability or mga issues ng application, security issues ng applications before namin siya i-deploy. And every month, every year, may vulnerabilities na nakikita sa mga software, sa mga third-party components, and sa mga OS.
Para sa iba, na ngayon, alam nyo na kung ano yung gusto nyo, nai-imagine nyo na, sa tingin ko, you're really lucky. But then, para sa mga iba na hindi nyo alam kung ano pa rin yung gusto nyo, kung saan kayo mag-excel, maybe, makapagbigay ako sa inyo na inspiration na kung ano yung magiging path na kukunin nyo. Masasabi ko, it's really great and challenging siya kasi bago siya. But then, dun ko nasabi na, ay, nag-e-enjoy ako dito. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's all about improving websites so they show up higher in Google.
Nung unang nilabas yung AI, there are companies na hesitant na pumasok sa AI because, number one, ang thinking nila, mapapalitan na yung mga tao nila. And pwede na silang gumawa ngayon ng iba pang mga tasks that can help. Pwede silang mag-aral on their own or pwede silang mag-create ng iba pang mga tasks that can help yung company. Makikita-kita tayo someday. Alam di ba, maliit lang ang IT world. Yung mga kasama ko 12 years ago, nakikita ko sila ngayon sa ibang company na. So, at least sabihin nyo, mama, maliit lang yung IT world. So, makikita pa rin tayo.
And for this, I would like to extend the internship opportunities for the BSIT 4th year. Hopefully, pag pumasa kayo sa capstone, we wanted you guys na maging prepared as early as now kung hindi nyo pa alam yung path na gusto nyo tahakin. So, for the intern path, you have the following. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang IT support intern. Yun na tumitingin na mga resume. Pero definitely, I will not advise na ilagay nyo yung mga numerical stats, lalo na kung hindi naman standard yung pinagbabasihan.
Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see the job. Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see the job. I fucked up this hustle, baby hustle, but the oh my. Oh my.
On behalf of the builders of Information Technology Society, I sincerely thank all of you for being present here today. Dahil po sa inyong lahat, naging possible po yung event na ito. Sa ating mga kapwa mag-aaral, alam ko po na nabanggit na, pero mayroon po sa atin na hindi pa sigurado kung anong landas ang tatahakin pagkatapos nilang gumraduate. At mayroon din naman pong alam na naway sa pamamagitan ng kaganapang ito ay mabigyan linaw ang mga options and opportunities na maaari nating tahakin sa mundo ng information technology.
Let me see you try.